guess it's a good time to start the vlog now. As you guys can see, I am on the highway. I'm cruising to Tampa, if you guys haven't caught on. But as you guys know from the title and probably the thumbnail, you already know what's going on. It is a huge freaking day. I'm on my way to Tampa, like I said. I'm actually going to go trade my competition wheels for some HREs. I gotta say that again. I'm about to trade my competition wheels for some HREs. I can't believe that is happening. I can't believe I just said that. So thank you guys for clicking on this video. I know you guys are probably stoked just as much as I am. I can't wait to put these wheels on. They are such a game changer. We're currently 40 minutes away, and of course, I'm stuck in traffic. Go figure. On the way to Tampa. But look at all these palm trees though. Yeah, there's an accident like right ahead. Just my luck. We are out here. We are getting wheels for the F80. Not in a million years would I be thinking that I'm getting wheels for my F80 this year or this soon. That was like a 2-3 year plan down the road, but there's always a but. But I found a local in Tampa who is getting rid of his M4. He's actually parting out and trying to sell it, and he wanted to get rid of his HREs. And I said, yo, I got some comps to trade and I can be over there after work. So this escalated pretty quickly, and one thing led to another. I'm on my way to Tampa. As you guys can see, I mean, HREs, top of the line besides BBS. I mean, I can't freaking wait to show you guys what they look like and give you guys the details, the rundown. But yeah, I'm basically trading my competition wheels for these, and the rest is history. I'm actually going to a BMW dealership in Tampa, Florida right now. He is a tech there, and we're gonna put our cars on the lifts, swap the wheels real quick, and then I'm gonna be on my way. As always, thank you guys for clicking on this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment, and subscribe for future content. Let's get it. Yo, fellow F80 in the house. He just got his car, got a new plate on it. I think it's clean, sounds good too, bro. Got a clean E46 right here. Part of Tampa Beamer Club. Love to see it. I mean, this is brutal. This is brutal. I'm so anxious right now. I'm so excited, but you know, I've just gotta keep calm, get over this traffic jam. All right, we finally got out of that traffic jam. Waze is taking us on a back road, but I just saw what looks to be the accident, and it looks pretty freaking crazy. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a big tow truck over there. I don't know what the heck is going on, but we're back on the road. Let's get it. Everybody knows how much of a game changer wheels make for any car, any build. On my F30, the wheels completely changed the car. Wheels are probably like my favorite mod, but I didn't think I was actually gonna get them because of how much money they actually are. So the only way that I found it feasible and possible was to trade my competition wheels for something that I really liked. Like I said, this is gonna be like a 2-3 year down the road plan, but hey, when an opportunity presents itself, you can't say no, especially for wheels like this. Man, I just can't stop smiling. I couldn't even fall asleep last night. I was so excited. I'll tell you guys a story about another set of wheels that fell through a little later, but man, it's been like a month and a half of searching nonstop. It's finally coming to reality, so I'm still in disbelief. Let's finish this deal though, let's get it done, and then it'll be official. There it is, Reeves BMW. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. So the guy I'm meeting said he's finishing up a car right now in the back, so I'm gonna go inside the dealership, take a look around real quick, and then hopefully everything goes smooth. Man, this is like Christmas. It literally is like Christmas. All right, we out here. Reeves BMW in Tampa, Florida. Man, I love being at the dealership. So many nice cars you see. All right, so I'm guessing this is the back. I'm gonna go find parking. Got a couple M4s over here, got a couple M cars, you already know. I think it's only fitting that I parked next to this beautiful Yas Marina 2018 F80. All right, just parked up at the dealership. Hopefully go find my boy. I already know when I walk in here, they're gonna be like, what the hell is this kid doing? With the camera too. This dealership is way different than the one in Orlando. Super small compared to Fields. I don't even see any M's in here. All right, so he's taking it in to the service center. he just took my car. He's gonna go put it on the lift, and then once his service advisor is in the clear, I'm gonna go in there, pretend like I'm gonna go look at the wheels. He said his boss or service advisor is super anal about you know, public people being in there, or random people being in there, which I get. He's gonna give me the green light in a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna go in there, check out the wheels, and then we'll get out of here. Let's go. All right guys, here's the first look. These are HRE S101s, 3-piece forged wheels. It's hard to see with the reflection of my phone, but he just said his manager won't let me in, which I get, because they don't want random people in their service bay they don't know, and it's probably a liability. So I am just waiting for him to swap the wheels. I guess you guys will get to see my honest reaction, because I'm not going to be able to see them getting put on. So let's go. Anticipation is growing. Look at this 335. This thing is dumped. Tucking. Look at that. And it's not even on air. Crazy. All right, I made it inside. We got a little view. She's up in the air right now. There are the wheels. There are the wheels. Let's go. There she is. Holy shit.
Not just mouth stops.
Yeah, I hear you. Oh no, this look hard. No way, yo. Oh. Boys, girls, people of the world, I think I could cry right now. This looks so hard. Yo, check it out. They're dirty as but check it out. Part of the HRE gang now. Let's go. Oh my god, I gotta tell you guys a story. I almost didn't get these wheels, so that's why I'm geeking right now. Literally, he almost could not make them fit. Basically, some lug and spacer setup fitment issues with my wheels and then his wheels. So I am so lucky that he figured it out. Shout out to Austin. I'm gonna leave his Instagram on the screen here, leave it down below. Make sure you guys give him a follow. He's a tech here. He hooked it up for real. Shout out to my boy. I'm literally speechless right now. We got the faux leads. We got the HREs. The fitment is money. Little poke. It's all good. I can lower the spacer if I have to. Same with the front. Again, these are filthy, by the way, but I'll clean them up tomorrow. I'm just so hyped that they fit. So hyped. Look at that. I've been literally stressing in the waiting room. Everybody in service looking at me like stressing, sweating bullets. But I'm gonna hop in the car, head back to Orlando, and I'll give you guys an update. Oh my god, I could cry right now. I could literally cry of happiness. Headed home now. I was actually supposed to be headed home like an hour ago, so I am pumped. You guys saw the wheels. I'll definitely give you guys a better look of them when I get back to the garage, but I gotta get back home right now. I'll catch up with you guys when I'm back on the highway. All right, we're back on the highway right now. Cat's out of the bag. I just posted on Instagram. Your boy has HRE wheels, and we made it happen. I am so happy right now. Like, I literally had to just drive for like 30 minutes of silence just to be like, just to express how happy I was. I can't believe that we made this happen. They look so good on the car. No way, no freaking way this just happened. I am so excited right now, so hyped, so stoked. I gotta fill you guys in. I honestly thought I was gonna leave there without the wheels, and I honestly thought that I would have to come back over the weekend. I'm so stressed. I was sitting in the service department and all the people were just looking at me, losing my mind. I was so stressed. I honestly didn't think it was gonna happen, but Austin, shout out to Austin, he made it happen. To give you guys the background on what happened was, I forgot to bring my normal size lug nuts because I have spacers on my car with my comp wheels. So I only brought my extended lug nuts that were in the car, and basically we ran into a problem with the HREs hitting my strut because I'm so low that I needed to have the spacer on in order for the HREs to fit up front. So the problem was, if I gave him my extended lug nuts, one, he couldn't drive home with just the comp wheels, and the bigger problem was I couldn't drive home with the HREs up front without it hitting my strut. So long story short, Austin worked his magic. He moved some of my spacers around, he flip-flopped some things, with the lug nuts, and he made it fucking happen. Shout out to Austin. Again, thank you for putting in the extra work. I don't think him or I thought I was leaving with the wheels today, but he made it. We made it happen. He made it happen. We made it happen. I'm so hyped right now. I just can't stop smiling. I'm driving home. I can't stop smiling. Again, I was supposed to be in at like 5 p.m. and out by 5:30. Again, a quick little swap, but with our lug nut situation and the spacer situation and the wheel hitting the strut situation, I didn't get out of there until like almost 7 o'clock. So again, I was in the waiting room for an hour. I was walking around. You guys saw the parking lot, just twiddling my thumbs, praying that this deal went through and everything would be right with the fitment. But luckily, we made it happen. I can't stop saying it. We made it happen, and I'm ecstatic right now. You guys can hear it in my voice. I can't wait to clean up these wheels, post them on Instagram, show everybody. I've already showed the guys and posted to my story, so again, cat's out of the bag. If you guys have seen my captions on Instagram, I've been talking about like big changes coming soon, working in silence, and this is exactly what I was referring to. We got a riced out BRZ. Okay guy, I'm cruising. I'm literally going like the speed limit. I don't want to go fast right now. I'm just cruising with my new wheels, breaking them in, enjoying them, cruising back to Orlando. But yeah, I am so pumped right now. I've been working on this deal for over a month, and I'm so glad that I was able to make it happen. Someone's getting pulled over. So earlier I was telling you guys a story about another HRE wheel deal that fell through. They were actually black flow forms in a satin black, and for the longest time I was super excited because I miss my black wheels. I love my black wheels on my F30, and I was super excited to get back into some black wheels. And so that was the original plan, and that was a month ago. But long story short, that deal fell through. The guy never answered me. He basically just kept pushing it off and never answered me. So I went back to the drawing board, kept looking on Beamer posts, looking on Facebook, all the F80 pages, all the Orlando pages, all the BMW pages. And I came across Austin's listing, and he was getting rid of his car, like I said in the beginning of this video, and he just wanted to get rid of the HREs. And I was like, yo, I'll trade you my comps right now and I'll come this week. He told me he had other people looking to trade, but he would let me know. 2 weeks went by. I kept asking him, get rid of the wheels yet? Did you get rid of the wheels yet? And he said, nah. And so I was like, dude, I'll come literally today, which is Thursday, after work, and we'll swap the wheels right now. And he's like, all right, man, like nobody else is serious about this. You are, let's make it happen. And that's how we ended up here today. Oh my God, the wheels are so sexy. They're the same style, the Y-spoke design as my rims on my F30, like the 763Ms, the BBS FIRs. So these are the HRE S101s. They're similar to the R101s, but these are just 3-piece forged wheels, and the R101s are a 1-piece. And to be honest, I love the 3-piece design of these wheels. They have exposed hardware. You can see how concave it is and the deep dish. I can't wait to clean these up and show you guys. I can't wait to show you guys when I get back home in my garage, honestly. This is crazy. I am so happy that I got these wheels. I think it's a dream come true, and it's a match made in heaven for my car right now. With everything going on, the suspension, the new tail lights, the headlights, aero, the wheels just tie everything together, and I couldn't be more happy. Don't get me wrong, I love my competition wheels. I love them to death. This is one of the reasons why I got my F80 in the first place, the competition package. But, you know, it's just time. It was time for something new. It was time to upgrade. It was time for a different look. I love my competition wheels. I'll definitely get a set in the future, but here's to new beginnings. Cheers. All right, I know I've been rambling on, but that's just me. Pure excitement. Talking from the soul of a car guy. You guys know how hyped this is. Gauges look sick at night, by the way. But yeah, on the way home now. Should be home in about 45 minutes. And then I'll catch up with you guys there. Just got home. I'm gonna go say hello to the fiance. Probably eat some dinner. And then I'll catch up with you guys. And we'll give you guys a better look at these dirty HREs.